Hello, I'm Nick Hodges. They call me the Lazy CPA. That was a name I picked up years ago because I created so many systems to make my life and my clients' lives much easier. When I started to discuss these various systems and techniques, it was generally on the road teaching other CPAs how to do financial planning. In fact, I wrote a book a few years ago with Tony Nurnberger called The Lazy CPA's Guide to Adding Financial Services to Your Tax Practice. In fact, this book has been very successful, and it's helped many tax professionals across the country enter into the financial planning arena and do it successfully. But as I traveled the country doing seminars for the last 4 or 5 years, speaking to about 3,000 tax professionals a year, I came across something that should have hit me day one. You see, most tax professionals are overworked and underloved. They have a miserable lifestyle. Let me tell you a few things about me. And I know this may upset you, but I want to give you the facts as they are right up front. We are just finishing in 2005, the 2005 tax season. That's obviously for 2004 tax returns. Now, I personally did 500 individual 1040s and about 99 business entities. Some were trusts, some were estates, and some were Schedule C, some were not Schedule C's, but C Corps, some were S Corps. And I did this basically myself with a small crew in Fullerton, California. You see, I live just outside of Biloxi, Mississippi, and I work in Fullerton, California. Now, you also need to know that I did this in 5 weeks and 1 day. So 5 weeks and 1 day, and my tax season, and basically my year, is over. Not only that, my collections are done. I have the money in the bank, and I'm home. Now, I know most of you rushed through to April 15th to get done. What you need to know this year, I was done by April 7th. And it was important that I get done by April 7th. You see, my favorite musician, Jimmy Buffett, was in town in Anaheim, California at the Pond, and I wanted to be at the Jimmy Buffett concert, which I was, and I had a marvelous time. But truth be known, I'm normally done by April 1st. Now, between April 7th and the 15th, for most of that time, I was on the beach in Newport Beach, relaxing and taking it easy before I went home to my family, so I wasn't coming home a wreck. Now, when I got home, I had to tell the wife that I was terribly exhausted, so we had to go spend another week on the beach in Florida, and we had a great time. If you haven't got it by now, what I want you to get is the fact that I live through systems, and I have a marvelous life. You see, I think we live in a great business and work in a great business, but we don't use the right systems. So what I finally did this year, and this is brand new, I finally went through and put what I do in my practice in a detailed manual. We talk about the equipment I use, the technology I use. You know, Jimmy Buffett sings a song about where he used to rule his world from a cell phone. Well, let me tell you, I rule my world from a cell phone most of the time. I have all my client contacts on here, and not only that, they're updated in such a way where my assistant, Tony, who lives in Michigan and works out of a back bedroom in Michigan, every time my contacts are updated, my Fullerton office is updated, Tony's office is updated, my Biloxi office is updated. So I have used technology to the nth degree, but it's just not about technology. It's about how do you talk to your clients, how do you send them organizers, how do you go through the interview process, how do you hire staff. And I've gone through a step-by-step process showing you exactly how I do things. Because I believe you deserve to live a much better life. Plus, I find when I have this extra time and I systematize things, my clients are much better taken care of. In fact, I have far more happy clients than I ever used to in the past, and the referrals I get are phenomenal. So let me show you how to do this in my brand new manual, and hopefully you can start living the life that you deserve to live. Thank you very much. And by the way, I'm heading outside now. I'll show you a picture on my boat, or this latest trailer, but that's where I'll be most of this summer. And I wish you all the best so you can be on your boat next summer as well. Thanks again. Bye now. this is my boat, Seaspicious. Don't forget to get my manual right away, and if you order soon, we'll send you a free copy of my latest book, Adding Financial Services to Your Tax Practice. Have a great summer. I know I will. Goodbye for now.